Hi, I'm Lauren, Policy Manager here at Shelter Cymru, back to speak to you about another of our manifesto asks ahead of next May's Senedd election. As you'll know, Shelter Cymru are calling for every political party in Wales to commit to ending the housing emergency, and part of making that a reality is for our next Welsh Government to create a private rented sector that actually works for renters. Right now, there are too many people who aren't actively choosing to privately rent, they just don't have any other option, and they're being forced into that decision whilst rents are rapidly increasing across Wales by nearly 9% in a 12-month period. It's not affordable, it's not sustainable, but it doesn't need to be this way. So what do renters need? Firstly, renters need new regulations to reduce those rent increases, regulations that protect current tenants and stop the landlords hiking up the rent when a property is relisted. Secondly, renters need an end to no fault, no reason evictions so they can have the confidence their home will stay their home for the long term. And thirdly, renters need better access to expert professional support to enforce the rights they already have around quality, conditions and safety. Ultimately, the Welsh Government work for you. They work for all of us here in Wales. So we need to tell them loudly and clearly what we want. We need to vote for home.